Hi there, I'm Jamie Taylor. Welcome to Your Health Matters, brought to you by Kingman Regional Medical Center, your community-owned hospital. This program focuses on healthcare issues that are relevant to you and your family, as well as services and programs that we offer here at KRMC. I've got a really exciting guest with a brand new program we want to tell you about that'll be here right after these messages, so stay tuned. We'll be right back. Welcome back to Your Health Matters. My guest today is Rachel Head. She's a registered dietitian, nutritionist here at Kingman Regional Medical Center. Thanks for being on the show, Rachel.
Thanks for having me.
And she's been on before, so this is like your second time with us. And I know diabetes education is kind of your specialty, but you're also a registered dietitian as well, right? Okay,
right.
Good. So we have a brand new program that they're starting at the Wellness Center to help people with weight loss, correct?
We do. It is a medical weight loss clinic that we're starting up featuring OptiFast, and it's designed to help people who are significantly overweight by more than 50 pounds.
Okay, well, I think I care. That's me. Okay, so tell me about the program. It's OptiFast. That's kind of a registered trade name of a product?
Yes, it's actually the parent company is Nestle.
Oh, okay.
So many of the products you use already are with the Nestle company. OptiFast is a branch of the Nestle company that focuses on medical weight loss. And OptiFast has actually been around since 1974.
Oh,
and so
not a newcomer on the block.
No, not at all. It's been around for a while, and they actually have been proven by over 80 studies. 80 studies are backing up the results that you get from the OptiFast program.
Okay, so it's pretty much like almost guaranteed results, sounds like. Okay, well, that's good to know. And what's all involved with it? I mean, I think there's a lot more than even just the OptiFast side of it, right? There's a whole program.
What sets it apart from other weight loss centers and diets is that it's medically monitored. So we have weight loss experts on staff, including registered dietitians, exercise physiologists, and it is a physician-led team.
Oh.
So yes, we have a physician on staff, and it's medically monitored as opposed to other weight loss programs and diets. In addition, what they do is they start out with maybe 6 to 8 weeks of full meal replacements for rapid weight loss, but it's rapid while being medically monitored.
Okay.
And then there's a transition phase where we do partial meal replacements, and then ultimately the patients get out into
the real world again.
Yeah, exactly. Basically, back to self-prepared foods.
Okay.
The whole time they do that, though, we are doing educational sessions to focus on lifestyle changes and how to make them lasting.
Okay, because I was just going to say, I think just about everybody at one time or another has been on a diet, lost weight, and then gained it back, and then more some, right? That seems to be the yo-yo effect that's so common in our society. So this sounds like it's got things in place to help with that.
It tries to be fully comprehensive. So the meal replacements guarantee the weight loss, and the education backs it up and helps you maintain it.
Okay, because that is obviously the crucial thing is you have to look at how do I get this fat to begin with,
right?
And then so how do I keep it off?
That's very important, yes.
Right, yeah, because you said you can diet like crazy, and then if you gain it all back again, it's pretty sad and worthless.
Right. Well, the OptiFast studies that I was talking about earlier, they actually show really good results long term as well.
Oh, that's
so good. Initially, patients on average lose about 52 pounds, which is very significant.
Yes.
Especially when you're
6
talking.
weeks?
Well,
the
entire we have an 18-week program, and
okay.
So at the conclusion of 18 weeks, there's an average 52-pound weight loss. So that's very significant, especially considering that a lot of medical conditions are aggravated, made worse by extra weight.
Right.
And so 52 pounds on average weight loss. Not only that, but you see cholesterol, blood pressure, and blood sugar come down. So if you're affected.
Diabetes, high blood pressure, all those can be affected by losing that weight.
And there was a study that was done that looked 2 years later at the participants, and 78% of men and 60% of women still maintain medical significant weight loss.
Oh, that's good.
So
but this lady's got to work harder.
Sure, I think so.
Yeah. Wow, that's really, those are impressive numbers to keep, for that many to keep it off. Or significant. I mean, 2 years is a significant. Usually by that time, I think you're into the groove, if you would probably. So if you can go that long and keep it off, and probably you've changed your lifestyle
Right,
and
right.
how you're eating, so that's good.
Exactly.
So when you say full meal replacement,
Mm-hmm.
so basically what is that? What are your options? What are you doing?
Well, we do have ready to drink shakes. We have shake mixes. We have soups that you can make, and also bars. And so there's a complete OptiFast line of meal products, and I actually have some to show you if you want to take a look.
Let's look at them.
We've got, for example, the ready-to-eat or the ready-to-drink shakes. We've got 3 flavors: chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry.
Oh, okay, so
And,
pretty much your standard favorites. Everybody
exactly.
pretty much should like one of those 3.
Yeah. So you might be skeptical at first, thinking that this would not tie you over if you were doing a full meal replacement.
Yeah.
But I actually tried this,
Yeah.
and because it is so high in the protein. And it meets all of your vitamins and minerals, your recommended allowance there. I actually was full for a significant amount of time after this. And actually a couple of other people I've spoken to have done the same thing and said the same thing, that they're full
that's
afterwards. So,
interesting.
but low calorie, and so that's how you lose the weight. You're
Okay.
full without all of the calories.
Right, okay. So that's the whole meal. Like if you're on the plan, you'd have a shake for breakfast.
Right,
for
800
lunch.
calories, monitored by the physician, though,
For the full day.
for the
800 calories for the day.
for the day.
Okay. And so that's one meal replacement?
This is one meal.
Okay.
Yes.
And then you could choose to have a bar for lunch and a soup for
Right.
dinner? Okay. So are the bars the same kind of flavors?
I believe they have chocolate, they have peanut butter,
Oh.
and I believe like a yogurt bar as well.
Okay.
So a lot of variety.
Right.
The soups, they got the tomato soup, and again, a lot of variety
Oh,
because
that's good. So it's
you
not
know,
the same
exactly.
soup every night.
So the variety is nice,
Right.
but a lot of patients actually have said that it's like taking a vacation from food, because it's very difficult to make lifestyle changes
Right.
while you are still faced with those choices
True.
every day. And so taking a vacation from food, going on a full meal replacement diet to lose the weight quickly, but at the same time getting that education so that you know how to make those choices more wisely when you come
Right.
back to the food.
Yeah. And I had a friend who said to me one time, she talked about she gained 5 pounds over the holidays, and I was like, well, that's not so bad. You can take that off pretty easily. And she said, if I'd have worried about that 5 pounds 100 pounds ago, I wouldn't be where I am today, right? So dealing with, when 5 pounds, taking it as a significant increase, I guess is what I'm saying.
Sure.
Those every 5 pounds adds up.
It does.
Until
And
you're-
it's, it is not just about the calories. Calories is what creates body weight. However, our emotions, our stress level, our choices, our families, our preferences, our
when
schedules,
we eat, why we eat,
all of it
kind that, yeah.
goes into why we make the choices that we make.
Okay.
And so the 18 weeks, we're really taking a good hard look at why we're making those choices and how we can make them better.
Wow. Yeah, that's good. So is there, that almost sounds like some psychiatric counseling too. Does that involve it?
It
or is
involves a lot of
Yeah.
behavioral changes,
Right.
and that's exactly at the heart of it. So.
Okay, so that's all part of the program, and you have the people in place to help with that side of it as well.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
completely comprehensive. It addresses all aspects.
Now, exercise, when you're only eating 800 calories a day, or intaking 800 calories a day, and you can exercise on top of that?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
And again, that's the benefit in having something that's medically monitored.
Right.
You get check-ins with an MA or the physician weekly and biweekly, so that we're on top of anything that can come up from being on such a restricted calorie diet.
Okay. Okay. Well, that's good to know then. So you're going to be aware if there's any issues.
Exactly.
Whether it's deficiencies. I would think minerals, vitamins are important. Do you take vitamins along with this?
Well, it comes complete with all of 100% vitamins
okay.
and minerals. However, the fiber, we do recommend supplementing fiber.
Oh, okay.
Because you're not getting the fiber with it.
Sure. Right. So, and then I guess what you drink lots of water, and that's it.
Water and meal replacements,
Yeah.
and you're medically supervised.
So no wine. Be whining for my wine for how long? No.
But you transition back into that
Yeah.
with a better understanding of how many calories
Right,
are in
yeah.
them, and why do I choose the wine, and when do I choose
Well, I
the
know
wine.
why I choose white wine. No, I'm just kidding. My husband's right. No, she's not. So, but it sounds like it's going to be a program that is really, it's a support network as well. So it's there because that's, I think, what sets up a lot of people for failure too. And what we were talking about earlier, that yo-yo is, you try to do it on your own, you know, just watching what you're eating, and then something comes up and you slip right back again.
Right.
So having that support system in place is going to help.
Very important. Well, studies show, first of all, that even temporary weight loss is actually important for health benefits. So even if it is temporary, but we don't want it to be temporary. We want the benefits to
I'm
last.
going to go through all that. I want to make sure it stays off.
Exactly. So the study that I was talking about earlier showed just that. Because we're getting a significant amount of weight off and we're spending 18 weeks addressing our behavior change, that is what keeps the maintenance easier.
Okay.
And so we're also going to have monthly maintenance meetings or support group meetings
be good.
for our patients who attend the clinic
So they can
to
kinda
assist
talk
with
to
that.
each other
Exactly.
and-
A support network.
Oh, that's a good idea. So it's all going to be run right here through the Wellness Center,
It's going to be right here in the Wellness Center.
Okay.
It's going to be KRMC's Weight Loss Clinic.
Okay.
Is going to be the name of it, and it starts in June.
Okay.
We're going to have an open house, by the way, if anybody is interested in coming to learn more about this, or maybe more about the product, more about the program.
Okay.
It is going to be Monday, June 4th,
Okay.
at 2 different times, at 12 noon and again at 5.
Oh, great. Okay. And that'll be right here in the Wellness Center conference room?
Exactly.
Okay. Very good. Now, if someone had questions, a little bit more than what we've covered here, can they call you, or do they call the main Wellness Center hotline?
Yes, they can
or
call
Wellness
either
Center?
number.
Okay.
The Wellness Center number is 692-4600.
Okay.
The outpatient nutrition department is 692-4607. So
Okay, very easy, very easy. Okay, good. Well, I think that's, you know, some good product. And now you're saying the full meal replacement's only 6 weeks, right? And then you transition.
6 to 8 weeks.
6 to 8 weeks, and then you can start eating a little bit more.
You're
of the-
transitioning out, yes.
Okay. And then probably it's one of those things that, like, if you haven't lost all the weight you want to lose, can you continue on it then indefinitely,
I'm
or?
not sure about that.
No, that's something just to think about. We may want to look into that, because I'm like, how long can you be on it before it's not
Well,
healthy?
800 calories, we really don't recommend being on for a long time.
That's true. But maybe
So,
if you go into the transition period for a while and kind of maintain for a little bit and then do it again. I mean, if you have significant weight to lose,
Right.
you know, like if you have 100 pounds, you're probably going to want to do it twice.
Right. Well,
I would
52
think.
pounds was the average, and so a lot
Oh.
of patients actually
Lost more than
have
that,
lost
then.
a lot more. You know.
Probably depends on how much you have to lose.
Right,
as to then
exactly.
how much you're going to lose. Okay, well, that's good to know. The products and stuff actually don't sound too bad. I'm kind of impressed. So
I'll
we'll be
leave you one
back.
to try.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
We'll be back after these messages, and we can talk a little bit more about it.
Okay.
Okay. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. Welcome back to Your Health Matters. My guest today is Rachel Head, a registered dietitian and nutritionist here at KRMC. Thanks again for being on the show, Rachel.
Thanks.
This is a pretty exciting new program we're going to be offering. It's a new way for people to lose weight healthily. Right? And it's great that it's a full program like it is. I mean, is it 19 weeks? Is that what we said
18
earlier?
weeks.
18 weeks, okay. We had talked earlier about how there's the medical side, the psychological side, and the nutrition side all involved in this.
Right.
Now, what does a person need to do to get qualified, or how do they get qualified?
Well, there's no referral needed.
Oh,
Your
that's
doctor
good.
can refer you to the program if they
Okay.
believe that the medical monitored weight loss would be a good route for you. But there's no referral needed, so anybody
Okay.
can join the program.
Oh, that's good to know. So anybody who feels like I could definitely lose 50 pounds and know others that might want to lose 200 pounds. So,
Right. It's going to be more beneficial for, yes, people who are significantly overweight by more than 50 pounds, possibly who are considering or preparing for bariatric surgery. Definitely people who have medical conditions as a result of being overweight as well, and definitely anybody who has done dieting in the past and hasn't been successful with
okay.
it.
Yeah, like we were talking about earlier in the show, the being able to maintain that weight loss is sometimes a challenge
Right.
for people. Now, we were talking about there's drinks and there's bars and there's soups, and I'm going to just try some here because wouldn't want to recommend something I couldn't eat myself.
Well, the vanilla that you're trying right now is actually my favorite. I have tried all three of the flavors,
That's
the chocolate,
good.
vanilla, and the strawberry. Thank you. And I think it tastes very similar to vanilla soy milk, if you've ever had that.
Yep.
It's not bad.
No.
It's very tasty, and actually it tied me over for 4 to 5 hours. I was surprised.
That's really good. So if I drink this all now, no, I'm just kidding.
You won't want to eat for a little while.
I want to have dinner.
Yeah.
Oh, well, that probably wouldn't be a bad thing either. But so I know you mentioned you're going to have an open house in June 4th?
Yes.
Is that what we said? Okay, and at 2 times, at noon and at 5.
Yes.
So is that maybe where people will get more information? I know you said we don't really have the price structure in place yet, and things like insurance questions, all of that will get answered at the open house.
Any questions that you have about the OptiFast program, the products, the prices, that's going to be really the place we want you to go to get more information.
Okay, good. So that'll be a good time. So make sure they mark it on their calendar, June 4th at 12 or 5. What, is that a Monday? No, what
Yes,
day?
that
It
is a Monday.
Okay. And then as part of it, we talked about exercise as well. So are they going to like set you up with a workout routine? Does a membership or anything come with it?
Right. For patients who are interested in working out, what we'll do is we'll design an exercise plan for you.
Okay.
And we're not sure how to do the membership thing
quite yet.
Yeah.
So that's kind of work in progress.
Right.
Yet. Okay. But there'll be answers to all of that by June 4th.
Yes, we'll have answers by June 4th. Yes.
Well, I know it's a brand new program, and I appreciate you being on the show so early to talk about this, because I know it's still in the infancy stages, the planning stages. So I appreciate you being on to talk about it. And it's, I have to say that it wasn't a bad taste. I mean, I've had other shakes and stuff in the past that kind of like
I have too.
Yeah, okay. This tastes like cardboard, but this actually has good flavors.
Good.
So I'll have to probably be there on June 4th to check that out. Very good. So I know we've talked about obesity is one of the probably the biggest issue of healthcare in our country and in Kingman too. We just recently did a community needs assessment, and we're working on still tabulating some of that, but it's very evident from the healthcare provider side of it. They're saying that obesity, which of course has all the other side effects like diabetes, high blood pressure, all of those things that go along with it, even orthopedic, because you're very obese and you're putting pressure on your knees and all of that. So obesity is the #1 healthcare challenge, and that if people can lose that weight, they're going to feel so much better.
Right. It really is at the heart of everything. It's related to so many other medical conditions. You mentioned a few, and there are plenty of others that we could go into. But the weight loss that the studies are showing with OptiFast show decreases in all of these. So as you're losing the weight, the average 52-pound weight loss, you are also, on average, likely to reduce your blood sugar by 29%.
Oh, wow.
Reduce your cholesterol by, I believe, 14%. Reduce your blood pressure by 11% in the course of those 18 weeks.
Wow. And then if you maintain it, it'll be even better.
Right.
So that's really good. So you've done a lot, and I know we talked earlier that diabetes education that you do a lot of is kind of your main thrust here, and this obviously partners well with that because it does help people with diabetes. So I'm sure you can kind of help refer people you're seeing with the diabetes issues over to this program. But what other things do you do from a diabetic education side?
Well, we have one-on-one appointments where we go over blood sugar logs and medical history. We really see what is the main concern with the diabetes, and we go from there to address it in whatever way necessary, whether that is more one-on-one appointments where we follow up and we educate a patient just in a one-on-one setting, or we can do group classes. For example, that's going to be really beneficial for somebody who needs to know all the basics of diabetes but doesn't really have a good way of doing that. For example, it's difficult to go over that information in a doctor's visit. It's difficult to find all of that information online or even in books. So we have a series actually of classes that are accredited by the American Diabetes Association, and we go over the basics. So especially if you're newly diagnosed or have never been through something like that before, it really does open up your eyes as to what all contributes to blood sugar changes.
Okay.
And patients who have gone through our diabetes program have seen significant reductions in their blood sugars and their A1Cs as well. So the more you know,
right,
the better you can control it.
So someone that has both diabetes combined with the weight can probably use the two programs together and really see some significant improvements in their overall health.
Yeah, there's nothing stopping them.
No, that's great. Excuse me, got a tickle. Maybe need some more of my stuff here. It really is good. I have to admit, I'm surprised.
I'm glad you like it. I can leave the other flavors with you if you want.
Some benefits. So Rachel, we were talking earlier about how with the program that you have in place, counselors that can, well, not counselors, but guidance people with both the nutrition, behavior, exercise, and all of that. Because I think we talked about when you eat, what you eat, why you eat kind of thing plays a lot into our weight as well. Are there people or parts of the program that deal with that?
Oh, definitely. That's what it is built upon. Both the diabetes program and the OptiFast, the medical weight loss clinic, both deal with those.
Okay.
So definitely we're giving you guidance, we're giving you suggestions. We're actually having open conversations, very open and honest conversations about some of these things and sharing information and tips and guidance and definitely, yeah.
Right, because I've heard that, and I guess I know for myself it's a fact too that a lot of times, like if you eat in front of the TV, for instance, you can grab a bag of chips and you're watching a movie, and the next thing you know, the whole bag of chips is gone because you totally aren't paying attention to what you're doing, or you're stressed or sad or whatever. And so it's, I think, identifying those triggers.
Right.
What's causing you to eat.
And that's what we call them. We call them triggers because the whole idea, anytime you're trying to make a behavior change, you want to identify them. First of all, if you have no idea what is causing weight gain or high blood sugars, well then how do you work on fixing it?
Right.
So identifying those triggers, first of all, that lead to less than desirable behaviors.
Okay.
And then minimizing those triggers, and there's a variety of ways to do that, but that's where we come in.
Great.
And at the same time we're minimizing those triggers, we're actually creating new triggers for healthier behaviors.
Oh.
So
that's good too then. So you're kind of replacing the bad with the good.
Exactly. The example I like to give is, you know, a trigger for many people is being home after work and being bored, and going to the refrigerator and the freezer and just opening up and taking a peek. Well, if you happen to have a half gallon of ice cream in there, you know, that would be, for many people, what we would call a trigger. To go get the bowl, to go get the spoon, and to have ice cream every night, every other night, but you see how that can lead to weight gain. So minimizing that trigger may mean for one person not getting ice cream at the grocery store anymore. Adding a new healthier trigger would be something like putting grapes in the freezer instead. So when you open it up, you have a new trigger.
That's a good idea.
Again, we go over all of these strategies in our classes and in our one-on-ones, so you don't have to think of these things by yourself.
Oh, that's good. Right. So it helps identify them. So both programs, if they have questions, they can call you, and we'll get that number in just a minute. But I just thought of something on the diabetes education side. Do they need a physician referral for that?
Yes, for the diabetes classes or the one-on-ones, you do need a physician referral. And so you can ask your doctor for diabetes education referral. They can write that for you, and we can see you for diabetes.
And that way it's going to be covered by your insurance.
Yes, it is a covered benefit with Medicare and with Access.
Okay, good. So that's good to know. So both programs, they can either call the main wellness number 692-4600.
Yes.
Or call the diabetes education line. And what was that number
That
again?
is 692-4607.
4607. Okay, so if they have questions, they can do that. And I know we're talking about, we'll have some pages on our website in the not too distant future.
Yes.
That'll talk about OptiFast and give them more information about it. And I think OptiFast, do they have their own website as well?
They do. It's optifast.com, and it's OPTIFAST.
Just like on the box.
.com, yes.
Okay, so they can go there if they want to learn more about the product right now.
Yes.
And then again, we want to make sure they remember June 4th is when we're going to have the open house. That's at noon or at 5. They can come to either one and get all their questions answered.
Yes.
Okay. So we'll be there on June 4th.
Okay, great.
I appreciate you being on the show, Rachel.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned next week. We'll have another great guest on the show for you.